Hello viewer, subscribers and loved ones. Hope you all are well and doing fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to the today's new episode, which is from the house of Aprilia and parent company Piaggio from Italy. Introducing the 2024 Aprilia Tuono 660, the new generation of a versatile naked sport bike. Fun, easy and a heartbreaker on the aesthetics front, its potent combination of power and extraordinary lightness delivers a truly breathtaking and unique riding experience. From the union of the uncompromising world of the legendary Tuono V4 1100 and the agile, technological prowess of the RS 660 come the Tuono 660 and the even more powerful Tuono 660 factory. With their incredible power-to-weight ratio and two distinctive characters, they totally express the very essence of riding joy. It's all about the power-to-weight ratio. Every version of the Tuono 660 delivers unparalleled performance on any type of road, while the Tuono 660 factory raises the bar yet further with improved trajectories for riders on both road and track. With its distinctive flaming livery, the Tuono 660 sets the trajectory as you conquer road and track alike in true rider style. The graphic variants of the Tuono 660 factory emphasize its aggressive character, as do the single-seat tail fairing and wheel rims painted red in homage to Aprilia's racing DNA. The Tuono 660's 95 horsepower and the Tuono 660 factory's 100 horsepower deliver a truly responsive ride. No matter where you're headed, the fun begins as soon as you start the engine. With 5 riding modes, of which 3 provide road options and 2 are designated for the track, there's plenty of choice for all riding styles and levels of rider, made even more enjoyable by the customizable and easy-to-use electronic instrument panel. Choose from Torque Red and Rush Grey, until now only available on the RS 660, but already setting new standards of style and aesthetics in the motorcycling world. Like the RS 660, the Aprilia Tuono 660 boasts an incredible weight-to-power ratio. Its wet weight of just 183 kilograms for 95 HP is a record breaker in its category and makes for an accessible naked sport bike suitable for any rider both on the road and track. The Tuono 660's die-cast aluminium frame and swing arm make for a truly glorious structure. If that weren't enough, then there is the Keiba adjustable suspension with dedicated setup, to say nothing of chassis dimensions designed to improve response and handling through a reworked geometry of the steering column. Hope you all enjoyed such content. If it delivers or if you found it useful or informative, then please do give us a like, share and do subscribe so you would be notified for the future contents. Thank you.